Dear viewers, in our previous lecture I have just shown you that how we'll draw that door opening and that windows opening perfectly. So we have done that for all point, and now in this lecture I'm just going to show you that how we'll create our door. Okay, so before creating door I'll just create door opening. Okay, so for that what I will do, actually I will just show for one, and I hope after that you will be okay to do for your next work, right? So what I will do, actually here, suppose for that windows I will create a here I'll create a door. So how I'll just take first pen or line. So from that point, okay, from that point to top direction here, from that point to top direction, how much will be our door height? Suppose that will be 7 feet, okay, or 7.5 feet. Then feet sign, enter. When it's done, okay, so then from that point to you have to come that point, right? From that point to that point, that is 7 feet. From that point to that point, that is 7 feet 6 inches. After that I'll just go that point, and again I'll come that point and that point. Okay, so when it's done, when that is done, then I can draw a line from that point to that point, and again that point to that point. Okay, so when I have created that site have failed, so I'll just select that and I'll delete. Okay, because I don't want to fill that site. After that what I'll do, I'll use that option, pull push, and from here to here. So see, here our door opening have created. After that we have to create door for that point. So how we'll create that, just see. So to create door, I'll take our that AutoCAD plan. So I'll select that and I'll click here, okay, and I'll just move it little here. Consider here, I'll move it, and with respect to that size, okay, with respect to that size I will draw, or I will create door, right? So here I'll just do that. So for that I'll take a pen to create our shape. Okay, to create our shape I'll take a pen. So how? From that point to that point to that point to that point, here, here, and here. Just see, it's done. And what I'll do, I'll just push that. How much I'll do, we can use our reference point. Okay, we can use a reference point. This is our reference point. So I hope it will be better if we click here. Just see, it's created, and its length is 7 feet 6 inches. Just see here. Again similarly I'll do another for that one. How? Same way. So from that point to that point to that point, here, here, and here. It is done. And after that I'll pull that, and I will use that point as a reference point. So that's done. And after that I'll create a door here. So for that I can use rectangle. So from that point to that point is done. And if I just take here like that, okay, it's done. Now we can rotate that little bit. Okay, So with respect to that point to that point, I'm sorry, escape, we have to create here we have to create a component for that. So I'm selecting all of it, all of that part. Sorry, press Ctrl, then select that point, also that point, that side, also that side, and here carefully, sorry, carefully also that side, and obviously the downside from here, right? When it's done, then right click here, and when you here make group, so we have created group. Okay, now we can go for rotation. So here click that point with respect to that point, and we'll be able to move that, see that, like as windows. We'll be able to move it like as windows. See? So I hope that will be a good position, right? It's okay. Now what I will do, now I will use some coloring. How I will use coloring? So from I'll use that option, okay, and okay, now I'm just doing coloring. So which color I'll just select from here, from here, wood, okay, wood color. So I will select any of that color from here. You can select as per your requirement. So I'm just selecting that color, okay, or that color, and after that I'm just doing here like that, that side, that side, that side, and also that side, and also for that side, that side. It's done. So here then on side. So I hope it's done. Our door is okay, right? We have created door. Now what I'll do, actually I'll just click here, and I'll select it, okay, I'll select that, sorry, I'll come here and I'll select that carefully, okay, and if I'll see in bottom that it is okay or not, so that is not okay, so I'll press Ctrl and I'll also select that too, and after that I'll also right click and I'll make group. So I have created group for all of it. Now I'll just move that with respect to that point, so here that point, and I'll press Ctrl to move that so that I can use that in next time. So here, so just see how we have created door, sorry, how we have created door here perfectly, right? I have created door perfectly here. So in this way you are able to create door, and also you are able to do better than me, okay. So when it's done, after that we can use that door here also. We can we're able to use that door here, okay. So if you want to create that, that's also okay. So to create door there, you can sorry, you can select that, and after that you can click scale, and by coming here, okay, by coming here, just go in that direction, right? Go in that direction, right? How much you need actually? You can go in that direction. It's up to you. It's totally up to you that how you will create that as per your requirement. But I'll just request you, we can move that. So here one, so is done, and after that same way, then click here, then click that move with respect to that point, just come here and give it here, press Ctrl and then enter. So I hope it's done. See, we have done that again perfectly, right? We have done that perfectly. So after that we'll create a wall like that. Here we have done previously. So I hope it's okay and you have understand that how we'll create door. Okay, how we'll create door for our structure. And sorry, it's up moved also, so I don't know why, maybe, sorry, it's up move. And in this way you are able to do your tasks and you are able to create a door for your structure. So thank you very much. Still stay connected till next video.